On today's video, we're knocking out Gordon Ramsay style tri-tip. Hey, if you love to grill and barbecue, then this is the channel for you. Make sure to smash that subscribe button and ring that bell so you don't miss a thing, because on today's video, we're gonna be knocking out Gordon Ramsay style tri-tip. As you noticed, the last couple of videos we did, we've been in a steak series, and if you wanna find out and watch all the other ones, you can click right up here. But we've been in a steak series, and we did cast iron steak, Gordon Ramsay style, and we also did tri-tip. And then I thought, man, what if we put the two together? So that's what we're gonna do today. All right, so let's just jump right on in. I have a pan here. So here's how we're gonna do it. We're gonna rub it with Texas beef. We're gonna put it on the Weber. We're gonna sear it. And then as soon as we're done searing it, we're gonna put it in a half pan we have a stick and 3/4 of Kerrygold butter, the gold Kerrygold. We have some thyme, some garlic, and some rosemary. We're gonna throw it all in here and then spoon that butter on it as soon as we're done searing it. So we're gonna cook it, we're gonna sear it, right? Yep. Then we're gonna put it in the pan and move it indirect and just spoon butter on it until it hits 124 degrees. So let's just jump right into it. Oh, and by the way, I want to thank Porter Road Meats. They're the one that sent us this beautiful tri-tip. And for those of you, they left the fat on the bottom, some of the fat on the bottom. We're not going to trim it, we're just going to cook it. So everybody in the pool, these garlics, you want to make sure you kind of crush them just a little bit. Can you see that?
Oh yeah.
So we'll throw all that in there. Gonna get some rub on here. And the Texas beef, man, this is gonna be perfect for that sear. And if you guys don't have any Texas beef at the house, use whatever you want. Doesn't matter. The only thing that matters is that you like what you're cooking. All right, so let's get this on the Weber and get to cooking. This is virtually caveman style right here. The coals are setting right under the grate. Look at that already, just minutes. Not even, what, 30 seconds, 40 seconds? Whew. This is not going to take very long. All right, now we just let the butter melt and start spooning. All right, so I'm gonna put a probe in here and I'm gonna cook this one to 124. I'm gonna baby this one. So we're sitting at 66. So hey, leave me a comment down below how you like to cook tri-tip, and is there another way I should be doing it? Dude, this smells freaking amazing. All right, so it's 124. As you've seen, we've been spooning our butter on. All right, so we're gonna pull it off, get it over here, let it rest for about 15 minutes, 10-15 minutes, slice this baby up. All right, so we're gonna let this tri-tip rest for about 10 minutes, but while we're waiting, I wanna tell you about something we're doing. Our giveaway. We're giving this can away. What is it? This is probably the most expensive giveaway we've ever had.
Oh yeah.
There's a link down in the description. It says giveaway. Click on that if you wanna get registered to win this. It doesn't cost you anything. All you gotta do, you don't have to buy nothing, just go there, put your name in, and you're entered to win. All right, so we've let this sucker rested. I can't take it no more. This smells freaking amazing. Can you smell it over there?
Yes, I can.
It smells awesome. So just to recap, we rubbed it with Texas beef, seared it, put it in a pan with a stick and 3/4 of Kerrygold butter. There's about 5 or 6 cloves of garlic, thyme, and rosemary. Pulled it to the indirect side and cooked it to 124 degrees, and while we was basting it up until that point. Pulled it off, let it rest for about, it's been about 15 minutes actually. Let it rest for about 15 minutes, and now it's just time to dig in and see what we got. You ready? This is gonna look good. All right, so let's give her a taste. Man, that is, look at that. That's beautiful. Freaking nailed that sucker. You see that? Oh, wow. Dude, that is freaking insane. You guys got to try this at your house. You have to try it. So I've been getting a lot of questions about my merch. Go to teamkosmo.com. I got a link down in the description if you want to cop you some. And hey, I want to thank you for watching. And as always, make sure to smash that subscribe button and ring that bell so you don't miss a thing. And I'll catch you in the next video. Peace!